Я сочинила песню на английском языке. Это мое первое произведение на английском языке, которое посвящено взаимоотношениям детей и родителей, особенно отношениям между мамой и ее детьми. Песня называется... Потом скажу, не знаю, не важно. Значит так. Have you ever asked your mother, darling, how are you? Have you ever told your mother, darling, I love you? Have you ever brought your mother flower on birthday? Have you ever told your mother all her life you gave? Now you are strong and healthy man. Now you live your life. Now you are powerful and happy man, but where your mother now? Days and nights this little woman brought you up and hope that you will remind to call her only once at all. Days and nights this loving mother wait to hear from you. Only single call which tell her, darling, I love you. And she wait and hope to hear from you. Only one desire, a voice which asks her, how are you? Have you ever asked your mother, darling, how are you? Have you ever told your mother, darling, I love you?